Hi, everyone. I'm going to turn it over to Sarah, who will introduce 1,000 Eggs for Women. But I do want to just mention that I feel like this performance is particularly poignant for us today and during this period, especially in recent activities in our country that are risking very much women's autonomy over their own bodies. So I feel even more excited about this, and also it's just meant to be a lot of fun and a celebration of our bodies. So, Sarah Lucas.
Well, welcome. Thanks all for coming. One thing that's quite important is we are actually making a painting. It's not about just going completely balmy with eggs. We do want to cover the whole wall, so we do want to get some high up. And I just want to give a couple of eggs to the first people to throw. And then going to give one to the chef.
Oh, yeah.